Did you know that fire can burn underwater? Yes, it's not a joke. In fact, there are substances that can burn even in water. The most famous example is metallic sodium. When sodium comes into contact with water, it doesn't just burn, it explodes. This happens because sodium is extremely reactive and interacts with water, releasing hydrogen and a large amount of heat. The hydrogen, in turn, ignites easily, creating an impressive flame. But that's not all. There are other substances that can burn underwater. For example, thermite, a mixture of aluminum powder and iron oxide. When thermite burns, the temperature can reach 2,500 degrees Celsius, allowing it to burn even in water. This happens because thermite releases its own oxygen during the reaction, and water cannot extinguish it. Another interesting fact: fire can have different colors depending on the substance that is burning. For instance, copper gives the flame a bright green color, potassium, purple, and magnesium, a dazzling white. This is because, during combustion, the atoms of these metals enter an excited state and emit light of a specific wavelength. Now, the most dangerous fire is a fire tornado. It forms when intense heat from below rises upward, creating a vortex. Such tornadoes can reach heights of kilometers and destroy everything in their path. For example, during the Hamburg fire of 1943, a fire tornado rose to a height of 1.5 kilometers and had a temperature of over 1,000 degrees Celsius. Fire is not just a destructive force, but also a source of inspiration for science. It helps us understand chemical reactions, create new materials, and even explore space. For example, rocket engines use fuel combustion to generate thrust. So fire is not just a flame, it's an entire world of scientific wonders.